Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. 首先，请告诉我怎么说 Please enter。对，请进，我们在 HSK 2学过的。那怎么说 Please come in 和 Please go in 呢？ What's the difference actually? Well, for please come in, obviously the speaker is inside, right? The speaker is inside and he or she is calling out to you, come in. And for please go in, the speaker is obviously outside together with you. He or she may be pointing at the entrance and telling you, go in. Whereas for please enter, the speaker's location is not known. So how do you say, please come in? We can say, 请进来, 请进来. And how about please go in? 请进去, 请进去. We know that 进 means to enter. We also know that 来 means to come and 去 means to go. So enter come is to come in, 进来, while enter go, 进去 is to go in, 进来, 进去, come in, go in. Now how about come out and go out? Well, we know that it should end in 来 and 去, so we can express the come and go part. But which verb should we fill in here? Since 进 means enter, we need the word for exit. What's the word for exit? You've learned it in HSK 2. Yes, it's 出. So 出来 means to come out and 出去 means to go out. So as you can see, if you take a verb like 进 and 出, by adding a 来 or 去, you can add a direction to the verb, whether toward you, 来, or away from you, 去. So the pattern is verb 来 or verb 去. 来 and 去 here are known as the complements of direction because they complement or add details to the verb by giving it a direction. Another example, 回来, 回去. We know from HSK 1 that 回 means to return. So what would 回来 and 回去 mean? Return come, return go? What would they mean? Yeah, they would mean to come back and to go back. For example, 他下午回来. He will come back this afternoon. 他下午回来. 他出去办事了，下午回来. He went out for some business and will return in the afternoon. 他出去办事了，下午回来. So the structure verb 来去 allows you to express directions with verbs. You can also add a specific location to this structure. For example, take 我上去. I'm going up. 我上去. If you add 楼, that is building, hopefully you remember from our last video, then what would this mean? Yes, I'm going up the building. 我上楼去. Another example, 朋友回去了. My friend went back. 朋友回去了. You can add 家, then it will be my friend went back home. 朋友回家去了. 老师进来上课. The teacher comes in to teach. 老师进来上课. But where does the teacher come into? Yeah, classroom, 教室. 老师进教室来上课. So you can add a location with verb 来去. You can also add an object to the structure. For example, do you remember 带 from lesson 1? What does 带 mean? Yeah, it means to bring or to take. So 带来 is to bring something here, and 带去 means to take something away from here. And if you add an object like 作业, you can say bring the homework here, 带作业来, or take the homework there, 带作业去。明天要带作业来, you must bring your homework tomorrow. 明天要带作业来。Another example, 你搬这把椅子去吧。Carry, 搬 this chair over. 你搬这把椅子去吧。You can also put the object at the end. 你搬去这把椅子吧。Carry over this chair. 你搬去这把椅子吧。你带汉语书来了吗？ Did you bring Chinese books here? 你带汉语书来了吗？ You can also put the object at the end. 你带来汉语书了吗？ Did you bring Chinese books? 你带来汉语书了吗？明天要带来作业。You need to bring the homework tomorrow. 明天要带来作业。So the object can be after the verb or at the end. So there you have it. Complements of direction. 来去 Verb 来去回来回去 Verb somewhere 来去回家来回家去 Verb object 来去带书来带书去 Or you can put the object at the end 带来书带去书